Dave F. Abarquez and Blessed Matri A. This is my final project for. So relate the orders of the groups and the orders of its subgroup. This group has an order of 16 since our group includes 16 elements and our group is named as B16 and 16 has a divisors of 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 16. Now let's see the orders of the subgroups. So first we have the subgroup of order 1. So we have N. Group have N with the operation group of N with the operation of star. So next we have subgroup of order 2. We have N and 45, N and 185, N and 315, N and L, N and 90, N and 225, N and V, N and LL, N and R, N and 135, N and 270, N and UL, N and H, N and UR. And now we have das. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 subgroup of order 2. So next we have subgroup of order 4. So we have N, V, UL, and L, the operation of star. N, V, L, H with the operation of star, N, 90, 180 to 70 with the operation of star, N, V, H, L, R with the operation of star, N, V, L, R and with the operation of star. So next we have the subgroup of order 8. So we have N, 45, 90, 135, 180 to 25 to 70 to 15 with the operation of star, N, V, UL, L, LL, H, R, and R with the operation of star. And so we have a total of 2 subgroup of order 8. So next we have subgroup of order 16. So we have N, 45, 90, 135, 180 to 25 to 70, 15, V, UL, L, LL, H, and R, R, UR with the operation of star. And next we have, so this activity shows that the size of a subgroup must divide the size of the whole group. Since the group has 16 elements, its subgroup can only have 1, 2, 4, 8, or 16 elements. This implies how group and subgroups orders are connected. And that's all. Thank you po.